Hey, how are you? How's everything? My voice tone is a bit tired because I'm tired. I'm glad you've waited for this video. Thanks. It was supposed to be published earlier, but I had some rough schedules again. Y'all know how architecture studies are stressing. I literally say that every video. But it's okay as long as I'm working on my personal growth. That's totally fine. My hard work would pay off someday. So hopefully I have many videos sponsored with Sketchbook to help you guys with improving your skills. Sketchbook is the perfect representation of the famous saying, never stop learning. It's a good learning platform that offers thousands of classes of many fields like creative ones, technology, business, and lifestyle, such as painting, animation, photography, softwares, crafts, freelancing, music production, and more and more. Many of the courses have additional materials like worksheets and readings, plus interactive community spaces where students share their work and give feedback to each other. It's suitable for any schedule since most videos are less than 60 minutes. For example, you can devote 1 hour a day if you are a bit busy. Remember that art is a free therapy, a cure to all of our madness and suffering, because no matter what 2021 brings to us, you can spend it creating something meaningful, something creative, something that feeds your brain with Sketchbook's online classes, because time is what we make of it. Sketchbook has an affordable price of less than $10 with an annual subscription, but since you're watching this, the first 1,000 of you can get a free trial or premier membership by clicking the link in the description below. Happy holidays, stay motivated, and let's start the video. So as I promised, I will share my traditional art on my channel as well, because why not? This was my new sketchbook. I know I haven't finished the old one, but I will show it to you soon in another video. It's gonna be a sketchbook tour thingy, so stay tuned for that. And I will let you with the speed painting now.